Hey my YouTube friends, allenpallen here. Thank you guys for joining me today. In this video, I'm not wearing pants. Hey you guys, it is Allen. I would like to start off by apologizing for my most recent social media break. I, like many of you guys, am battling with depression, and with everything that's been going on in my life right now, I really just didn't need the negativity. As much support and strength and comfort as you guys do offer me, there are a lot of haters out there, and there is just so much negative. Well, I'm sure most of you guys simply would have been fine just seeing me, regardless if I was depressed or not. I am trying very hard to be nothing but positive and encouraging for all of you guys. Times are very crazy right now, and I think the last thing you guys needed was me shoving my misery down your throat. But I am battling through it because I refuse to let depression take away permanently one of the things that matters most to me, and that is hanging out with you guys. You guys inspire me to do so much, and it would be selfish of me to, I guess, hide any longer. So without further ado, let's dive right into it. In today's video, we're going to be doing the no hands makeup challenge. Well, typically this is done with somebody standing behind you and basically you blindly lead them into doing your makeup. Today we are going to take things a little bit further, and I'm actually gonna take it literally and do my makeup with no hands. I feel like I shouldn't even have to mention this, but I do want everyone to know this is in no way, shape, or form meant to offend anybody that's harmless. It is all 100% in good humor, and I could not imagine having to deal with such a struggle every day of my life. Life's about what you make it, and props to those of you for making it work. Well, I'm sure the easiest way to do this would be probably to pick up a makeup brush and do everything with my wrists. To me, that is cheating. An effort to keep this challenge a little more entertaining. I have decided to limit myself to one application method per product, meaning I can only use my wrists one time, I can only use my elbows once, etc. My dick. I'll be right back, you guys. I need a Coke. I'm gonna start off by prepping the face with my Jouer Anti-Aging Moisture Primer. I'm sure you guys recognize this from other videos because I'm kind of obsessed with it. When it comes to skincare, I like a hefty amount. I take my skincare pretty seriously. Alright, you guys, we're starting off with the wrists. I probably should have saved this for something better. I already hate this challenge. Oh no. We can't forget the neck. The décolletage. It's a chest, bruh. Who else is living for this haircut? Aside from the fact I'm going bald, I kind of love it. Little secret is I did it myself, so if it looks kind of funny, that's probably why. Next is foundation. I have no idea why I decided to use this in a makeup challenge, because low-key I kind of hate it. Maybe part of me was just hoping that in some way, shape, or form I can end up liking this product. But we're going to be going with my Smashbox Studio Skin Full Coverage 24-Hour Foundation. This is in shade Fair Neutral, because I am a vampire and I should have had that spot on Twilight. You know, I betcha actually the reason I didn't get that spot is because I don't bang chicks. That and I didn't audition. You know me, guys, I love a full coverage moment. Alright, you guys, up next we're going to use my table to apply my foundation. My logic in this is I can slap it on my face aimlessly, but then I can use the Beauty Blender to blend it out. Ooh, I think I used a little too much. Yikes. Looking like a gray fox. Hey, baby. Little frosted tip moment. Okay. Let's get to blending. Yeah. That's a good blend. Yeah. Yes. Oh. Fucking work. We can't forget the neck. Oh. Hello. Come here, big boy. Alright guys, here is the foundation. I am gonna cheat just a little bit and remove it from my lips because I don't play that shit. That and I would like to enjoy my beverage. Alright you guys, up next is concealer, and I think I'm gonna use my knees for that. Why it's so squishy though. Ooh. I feel like this is old. We're going to be going in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Effacer, and this is in shade Ivory. Of course it is. Typical. Okay. Give myself a little leg room. Dunch. Let's get to face snatching. Okay. When shade Ivory is still too dark for you. You. Oh. Can't forget that big old forehead. It kind of hurts when you scrape your head on the plastic part. I'm suing. Look, I might have cut myself. Oops, that's cheating. Ow. You're eating. Let's get to buffing. Oh my god, this is gonna be so snatched. I'm not used to bending in all these weird directions. Yeah, you gotta roll it. Roll it, daddy. Don't drop the egg. Oops. Excuse me, sir, where's your mask? Do you not see my face? Bad joke. Before my makeup crumbles away like the delicate piece of fine art that it clearly is, we're gonna set the face with my ColourPop No Filter Setting Powder. This is in shade Translucent, just like my feelings. And to apply this bad boy, I think we're gonna use my elbows. However, does that look thoroughly coated to you? Come to daddy. Can't trick a trickster. Okay. That's one eye. Brush is thoroughly coated. fucking wild fish. Now that my face is set and looking mighty fine, I might add, it's time for bronzer. And we're busting out the big guns. Or should I say these? Tell me why I have finger toes. No money, no honey. We're gonna be going with my Tartsy Breezy Cream Bronzer. This is in shade I can't pronounce. If any of you guys did watch my Glow Up Toke-Up video, which I will leave linked down below, you'll know I have the brush as well. We love a good duo. Pretty much anything Tarte I own. Hashtag when your bedroom looks like Sephora. Alright, you guys. Let's get to sculpting those cheekbones. I need a good chiseling moment. Got that dead face. Ugh. I literally just took a shower and my feet are already disgusting. Okay. I don't want to ruin my bronzer. Look at that. Ew. Oh. Now my whole bronzer is going to probably be contaminated with foot juice. Okay. I'm trying to do this where you guys can see it actually. Uh-oh. I just gotta like worry about getting some on the brush and then I can work with it. I was not meant to bend like this, but I do anyway. Yeah. Fucking get in there. Oh. And guys, listen. What am I doing with my life? Okay. This is cheating. I don't care. Gotta get that diminishing hairline. Oh, especially in the corners. Okay. There. That's good. Okay. I gotta get this corner. Now that the product is officially on my face, let's get to blending. Okay. I'm fucking sweaty. Ugh. My feet are sweaty, my face is sweaty. My balls are sweaty. Hey, friend. Go. Okay. Okay. I think we have ourselves some 20-minute gold right here. Let's try the sponge. Oh god, this is even harder. The beauty sponge is probably harder to maneuver because it's even shorter than the brush. But what if it was longer? Back to business. Okay. Now we're making some progress. Oh, yeah. Now that my face has been beaten down like a bust down, I think we ought to set a bitch. I'm going to be going in with my Morphe Continuous Setting Mist. I don't believe it's going to be continuous much longer because it's kind of empty. Just like the void in my heart. I don't even know how to use this thing. Well, if you haven't figured it out, I'm going to attempt to use a selfie stick. And I'm going to put it in my crotch, just like all the other poles. Just kidding, because I'm not a little slut. Ow. I mean, like a sprinkler holds me down. All right, you guys, here is the final look. As always, feel free to sound off down below. I love, love, love hearing from you guys so much. I do, again, apologize for how long it's been since I actually posted last. I filmed a couple things, but unfortunately, due to the fact that I was depressed, I could tell through the whole video that I just really wasn't in the right mindset to even be worried about that. I feel that it is much better to take a short time, address some issues, versus try to juggle everything and push your issues aside. At the end of the day, yes, I missed you guys so much, but I did it so I could be a better person for you. That is something I always push, and I've talked about it before. You guys give me so much that it is not fair for me to give you less than anything but 100% of myself. So I know that you guys missed me just like I missed you, but please know it was for both of our own good. And now that I'm feeling a lot better, I feel like I can actually do what I want to do and just, push out the content. I know before in a video I kind of teased that a lot of things are happening here in the near future, but nonetheless that is the future, and I just wasn't doing good during the transition time. Everything is so crazy right now, and I'm only human, but I appreciate you guys who wrote me in between the videos. I don't even think it's been like a full month since I last posted, and a lot of you guys reached out to me to make sure I was okay, and that was simply amazing. And I thank you guys so much again for everything you do for me. In terms of heroes, most of you are my hero. I know some of you have told me like I'm your hero, but for me it's the literal opposite. You guys are my hero. But enough of that mushy stuff. I will see you guys all very soon. I hope you did manage to have fun right along with me. I know not everybody likes makeup videos, but feel free to leave a suggestion down below. Maybe you don't like this video, but I'm willing to do something you might find interesting. You never know. Once again, I do thank you all for hanging out with me today, and I'll see you on my next video. Bye, you guys.